Word has gone round of an impending mass protest in front of the Diskaya Pasig City residence on Friday. A gathering reported to be much larger than last week's assembly, which was marred by acts of tagging and vandalism. Hence, as our Patrick De Jesus reports, some 2,000 officers and security personnel in blue have been ordered to keep the peace.
Protests have been held one after another since last week over the anomalous flood control projects. And this could continue alongside new revelations on the issue, with Black Friday protests set this coming Friday. That's why the National Capital Region Police Office, or NCRPO, is on heightened alert to maintain security and will be deploying more than 2,500 police officers across Metro Manila, particularly in areas where activities are expected.
Kasi hindi po natin alam kung yung mas mabuti na po na mas marami tayong nakaredy kesa po kukulangin tayo.
Based on NCRPO monitoring, some of the protest site will be at Menjola and the DPWH office in Manila, the Senate in Pasay City, the Batasang Pambansa in Quezon City, and possibly also along EDSA. Groups holding activities will still need permits, but police said they will respect everyone's right to express their sentiments.
Halimbawa po na hindi sila madala sa pakiusap, binigyan po sila ng at least 1 hour para i-dissolve yung kanilang grupo. Ngayon po, kung hindi po sila makikinig doon sa pakiusap ng ating mga personnel, yung ating mga CDM na nandun, is maaari po silang ibuwagin agad-agad.
Meanwhile, the Pasig Police has not yet received any official request to secure the Diskaya compound, where protests were recently held and their gate was pelted with mud. There is a deployment on standby if needed.
It's just part of the management of our security plans in all events. So it's just normal na mag-deploy tayo ng conservative deployment tungkol dito para to prevent similar things to happen and also to protect our constituents.
The Diskayas, meanwhile, will push through with their case against those who protested at their compound, as they are being tagged as one of the contractors involved in the anomalous flood control projects. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.